Hello students, let's start the second chapter of the algebra. It is quadratic equation. We have seen lot of equations, but this is different one, and we are going to see the second chapter is a quadratic equation. Now observe this equation and you have to find out whether these equations are quadratic equation or not. So how to find out these quadratic equations? So let's see. First, you have to arrange these equations in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And you have to remember the 2 points. Which are they? The first point, it should have only one variable and indices of that variable should be 2, and then this is quadratic equation. So now observe the first one. It has only one variable, that is x, and if you arrange this and its index is 2, largest index is 2, and that's why this is the quadratic equation. So what about this? So I am going to arrange this equation in the form this way. So y square, it will come on this side, pi x, it will come on this side, so it will be 10 equals to 0. Can you tell me, is this a quadratic equation? No, this is not a quadratic equation. Why? Because it contains 2 variables. Index is 2, largest index is 2, but it has 2 variables, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Now let's see about this one. You have to rearrange it. So what you have to do? You have to multiply by y to both sides. If you multiply by y, then y square into y plus 1 upon y into y equals to 2 into y. So this y will be cancelled. So y square into y is y cube. Nothing is there, 1 and 2y. If you rearrange this, y cube, this will come on this side, minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation? Again, your answer is no. Why? Because the largest index is 3. It is in the form of this one. It has only one variable, but the largest index is 3, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Observe these equations. You have to write these equations in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And remember the one thing, you have to find out the values of a, b and c. So now I am going to tell you how to write the equation in the form of this one and how to find out the values of a, b and c. So first rearrange these equations. So y square is the largest index, so it will come on this side. It is minus, so it will be plus. Then bx means 2y, so it will be already here. 10 comes on this side, so it will be minus 10 equals to 0. So now this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. By comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, you will get a means the coefficient of y square. Nothing is there, 1 is there. So a's value is 1. Bx means the coefficient of y, therefore b equals to 2, and c means the number equals to minus 10. Don't write the number directly, you want to write it with this sign. Now let's see about this one. This is x minus 1 the whole square. So first you have to solve the bracket. So bracket x square minus sign 2 into first into second. 2 into x into 1 means 2x Then minus square is always positive. So plus 1 square is 1 equal to 2x plus 3. Now you have to arrange this equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So first you have to write the largest index. So which is that? X square. So x square, then x minus 2x, and this 2x comes on this side, so minus 2x plus 1. 3 will come on this side, so minus 3 equals to 0. So x square will be as it is. Then minus 2 minus 2. Sign are same. Addition and give the sign of larger number. So it will be minus 4x. Then plus 1 minus 3. Their sign are different, therefore subtraction and give the sign of larger number. 3 is the larger number. Equals to 0. So by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a means what? The x square coefficient. So a equals to 1. B here minus 4. So b equal to minus 4 and c equals to minus 2. These are the values of a, b and c. Now can you tell me about this one? Again, this is very simple. Okay, so you have to multiply by p to this bracket. So p into 3, 3p. Don't write p3. Number should be first, then you have to write the variable. So p into 6p, it is 6p square equals to minus 5. Now which is the largest index? Yes, of course 6p square. So it should be first, then 3p, and this minus will come on this side. So plus 5 equals to 0. Then by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a you will get it 6, then b you will get it 3, and c you will get it 5. And now these are the values of a, b and c. Now let's start with the different type of the sums. Here you have to find out the values of x are given, x equals to 1 and minus 1. Is that these values are the roots of this equation? What do you mean by root? Root means it satisfied the equation. So let's put the value x equals to 1 in this equation. Let x equals to 1. Then I am going to solve this one. Is an LHS. Is x square plus 4x minus 5. So substitute the value. Instead of x, you have to write the 1 square plus 4 in the bracket 1 minus 5. So 1 square is 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 5, you will get it 0 is equal to the RHS. See, the RHS is our 0. So it means these values satisfied this equation. And therefore x equals to 1 is a root of this equation. But if you substitute the value minus 1, then what will happen? Let's see. Let x equals to minus 1. So I am going to substitute the values. Minus 1 square plus 4 in the bracket minus 1 minus 5. So minus square is always positive. So 1 square is 1. Plus into minus, minus. So 4 into 1 is a 4. And this minus 5 will be as it is. So 1 will be as it is. Minus 4 minus 5. Sign are same. Addition and give the sign of larger number. 4 plus 5 is 9 and the sign of larger number. These have different signs. So different signs, subtraction. 9 minus 1 is 8 and give the sign of larger number. So can you say that LHS is equal to RHS? Can you say? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. And therefore x equal to minus 1 is not a root of this equation. Okay. So now see this sum. In this sum, x equal to 3 is the root. If x equals to 3 is the root of this equation, it means this satisfies the equation. So let's solve this equation. No need to take LHS and RHS. Why? Because already the value of x is given. So k in the bracket kx squared minus 10x plus 3 equals to 0. So k will be as it is. X value is 3 square minus 10 in the bracket 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So k 3 square is 9. So what you have to write? 9k minus 10 into 3 30 plus 3 equals to 0. So 9k plus 30 minus 30 plus 3. So you get it minus 27 equals to 0. Now you have to find out the value of k. So therefore 27 goes on that side. So 9k equal to plus 27. 9 goes on this side. So k equal to 27 divided by 9. And therefore k equal to 3. 9 3s are 27.